our favorite indoor coaster, our favorite festival at Epcot. It's going to be a good day. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here at Epcot's International Festival of the Arts, waiting on Nikki. She's driving here now, but in the meantime, I should probably get a festival passport. And here are the passports. Right after you enter the turnstiles are the front gate. They also have these like all over the park anyway, but best to get one now. And before I take another step in this vlog, I want to give a special shout out to Reagan, who loves Disney videos. Good news, Reagan. I think I'm going to do 2 a week now. I think it's a YouTube law. I have to give you this shot of Spaceship Earth just to prove that I'm at Epcot. We do have a boarding pass, a reservation for our favorite indoor roller coaster, Cosmic Rewind. That will be in 75 minutes. But in the meantime, Spaceship Earth is only 10 minutes, and I'm not alone. I do have my daughter, Caitlin, walking in front of me. She's gonna ride with me. By the time we're done with this, Nikki should be here.
Please take small shapes by hand and watch
We just got off of Spaceship Earth and Nikki just got here. Sorry honey, we're having fun without you.
So rude!
You said that.
I should make you ride it again with me.
Okay, it's our time to go on Cosmic Rewind. Now when it comes to getting a virtual line for the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, there's 2 times you can do it. 7 a.m., which you can do from anywhere. I did it from my bedroom this morning. Or 1 p.m., in which case you have to be inside the park.
Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrence before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Zandarian's, it should work.
And we've made it to the last section of the queue. We are pretty much here. Let's go have some fun.
This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I'm locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
See how they dress.
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
Was that fun, Nikki?
Oh my goodness, it's my favorite ride. I just smiling ear to ear.
Now I refer to this as our favorite indoor coaster. Are you taking that up a level as making it your favorite coaster?
Favorite indoor coaster, yes, okay, I'll give you that, yeah.
Okay. Nonetheless, it's super fun.
Oh my gosh, amazing.
It's a must-do here at Epcot. And I wish there were more coasters like it.
Oh, yes. Oh, definitely.
You should never pass up something free at Disney. I'm gonna step inside of Club Cool and get, I don't know what flavor I'm gonna get, but a free little sample size of soda. Will not be the Beverly. I'm thinking the Royal. It's a watermelon flavor Fanta almost from the Philippines. And it was, it's a pretty good soft drink. What's a visit to a Disney theme park without a little shopping? Let's look around. For $85, a Disney lounge fly. Looks pretty cool. I like the ears. One ear is a life preserver and the other ear a captain's wheel. That backpack goes with this plush. $35 for the plush. As you can see, matching theme. And I would say that theme is the Jungle Cruise. And I'd be right. Keeping with the Jungle Cruise, here's a large pin for $30. For $30, this is an eye-catching ball cap. Steamboat Willie. I think it's pretty sharp. For $88, a Haunted Mansion Loungefly backpack. Looks pretty cool. The inside pattern matches this. The matching Mickey plush, $35. For $45, here is a long sleeve yellow t-shirt for me to consider. For $25, I would consider this an eye-catching picture frame. I think this is sharp as well. If you are a big fan, if you really like Spaceship Earth, you should get this tumbler for $50. Alright, that's enough of this shop. I like the offerings at the Connections Eatery, but we're at a festival. We gotta have festival food. Okay, let's go do some Festival of the Arts stuff. Farts, for short. Wait a second, test track is only 30 minutes? The farts can wait. Bumblebee? Looks good to me.
Beautiful.
And this is the car Caitlin designed. Let's see how it performs. And that's the fastest ride at Disney. Well, we did pretty good. Caitlin designed a good car.
Yeah, we came in first.
And I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, I believe Test Track is the fastest ride in all of Walt Disney World Resorts. I think so.
Okay.
But if I'm wrong, you'll let me know in the comments below, I am sure. Since Nikki knew she was going on Cosmic Rewind, she wore her Marvel backpack. Appropriate. And she wants me to show off her shirt, the One Division shirt. The food booth right outside of Test Track is modern. Let's see what we're going to get here. The compressed watermelon taki is pickled watermelon rind, yuzu pearls, watermelon foam, and wasabi. The Tropics is a mousse, a guava cake, coconut cremoise, I'm guessing, compressed pineapple, and mango gel. And now for the review. What'd you think of all that stuff?
Oh my gosh, chef's kiss, so good. So the watermelon one was you know, savory, but the little, is it mango pearls or something on there?
I forget the pearls.
The little yellow pearl things were fantastic.
Yuzu.
And then
Yuzu.
Yuzu.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the sesame seeds were so good, so like that was totally up my alley.
That was $4.75.
Right, and
But
then
I think you like the tropics better, didn't you?
I did. I was able to eat like the fruits and stuff, and some of like the
Mousse?
the mousses and stuff. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's absolutely delicious. Just that made my tummy hurt.
I'm glad you're happy.
Yes.
And now finally, World Showcase Festival of the Arts. Here's some musical art. This piece of Darth Vader artwork would look great in my YouTube studio. Nikki's gonna step inside of a storybook.
And really,
And now the other side. Ah, we've made it to France. Remember that time I had escargot?
do I have to? That was all.
I remember it. I will never have it again.
I know, that was a traumatic event for you. That's why I was like, I think I needed to block it.
Why did I have it? Did I lose a bet? No escargot on today's menu though, thank goodness. Still, I'm not having anything here in France. Okay, we now take a break from food to bring you some musical and movement art. Well, that was a nice little break, but now Nikki is in line to get a sushi donut. This is $8.25, the sushi donut. I see some salmon, I see some shrimp, maybe some tuna. All right, well, you enjoy that, Nikki. Made it to America, and there's a couple things we're gonna try. The duck and dumplings for $7, and the hummingbird cake. We've heard great things about it. We're gonna get it for $4.75. This is the duck and dumplings, smoked duck breast, ricotta dumplings, petite vegetables, and duck juice. And then the hummingbird cake. This is a banana cake with pineapple, coconut, pecans, and cream cheese frosting with banana sorbet. Let's start with the duck and dumplings. You know, the star of that entree or that dish was actually the dumpling. The duck was pretty good. I liked it. Did you think it was kind of fatty for you?
Oh yeah, I took one little bite and I was like, nope.
Yeah, but I would like just a plate of the dumplings, quite honestly. And the hummingbird cake was good. It was like all like kind of banana flavored, so that was good for me.
Okay.
So you know, the ice cream was banana, the cake was kind of banana, almost like reminded me of like a banana nut bread.
Yeah.
The cake did.
Yeah. I had the icing and I had a little bit of the ice cream.
Oh yeah, the icing, the cream cheese icing. I like cream cheese icing.
The cream cheese icing was great.
Yeah, so that all worked for me. I'm happy. And the flight of chocolate liqueur, nobody liked. None of us.
No, it was, woo, I got a headache.
Disney on Broadway is happening on January 13th, 15th, 16th, 19th, and 20th. Oh, today's the last day. I don't think we're gonna catch it. Check out this little festival tent here for art. Let me give you a better look. My daughter Courtney does something very similar. There's actually a link in the description box for some of her artwork that is kind of this size, and go check it out. Maybe you'll find something you like. Who knows, maybe one year she'll have a tent here. Well, it would not be a Rix Flix Epcot Festival video if I didn't stop off in Germany and have some food here. Yes, I'm getting in line. What you're looking at now is the red wine braised beef short rib, $8.50. Parsnip puree, broccolini, baby tomatoes, and aged balsamic. And Germany does not disappoint. It never disappoints. The beef short rib, my favorite thing here so far. I've had it before here. It's so tender.
It is. You could cut it with a fork.
Didn't need it. It was delicious.
It's so good.
I didn't care for the parsnip puree.
I like it though, because I'm a veggie person, so I like the parsnip
And you ate the
puree.
broccolini too, didn't you?
Yeah, and the little like cherry tomatoes. I know you're veggies.
The beef short rib to die for.
So good.
Germany, you've done it again. Here is some nice Disney art. Gorgeous. And we've made it to Nikki's favorite artist, McCullough Art. She loves it. I love it. Let's show you a few pieces. Big Thunder Goof on the I Am Brave train. $200. I like that piece. And here's one of McCullough's artworks that Nikki actually owns. Not this big though, a smaller version. And over here, I'm not sure of the artist, but Nikki has found an Up painting she likes. And this is what Nikki wants, Up and Away, limited edition, $395. This one is number 56 out of 195. She loves it. Nikki walked away without getting the Up painting. I think she's a little disappointed. So there's a spot just over here that Nikki was saving for the majority of the desserts. Although we had a bunch already. Or a few.
Yeah, it's a bunch of mousses.
Mousses?
Let's go get some mousses.
Deco Delights has all the mousses. 3 of them. Not sure which one Nikki's going to get. Maybe she'll come back with all 3 of them. Let's stay tuned and find out.
The first one is the Dolce Chocolate Mousse with chocolate creme and chocolate truffle for $5.25. The second one is the Decadent Chocolate for $5. It's dark chocolate mousse, chocolate brownie, and a cassis mousse. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then the orange mousse for $5 with the lemon cake and their raspberry meringues.
Boy, that Mickey knows his mousse. Changing his name to Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
All 3 of those were fantastic.
Which one was your favorite though?
The orange.
Me too. I liked it. Oh, so good.
It was the most fantastical.
I like the chocolate raspberry one. Was really good too.
And I like the one that came up like with the ice cream. That was almost like an ice cream cake.
It was. Yeah, you enjoyed that one too.
Anyway, they were all great. Mickey knows his mousse. I can't say it enough.
That's true.
Anyway, yeah, get some mousse.
Get some mousse. It's Disney.
Well, that's going to do it for this vlog. Sort of. I mean, Nikki's going to continue on with Caitlin to another park, do some park hopping.
Yes, park hopping after 2.
But as far as Epcot is concerned, we done.
We're done. This is a good festival of the arts.
I like it when we get like Visa gift cards at Christmas and we use them at the festivals. Doesn't seem like we're spending our own money.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. So I just used a little Visa gift card the whole day. It was wonderful.
I like that.
Yeah, it felt like just like a fun day. This is just fun money.
So anyway, I hope you had a good time checking out the Festival of the Arts. I apologize for calling it farts earlier. It's just in my nature. If you abbreviate it, and you drop the O because the O is part of that's a small word. You can just drop that. That's why it's farts. But I apologize for that. I apologize.
Okay.
Anywho, we got some more videos for you coming up. Maybe you can put one over your head or not this time, Nikki.
Sure, yeah, absolutely.
Right, okay,
right up there.
Right there, we'll put a video for you to watch next.
So don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
Click that video.